Hello there, very good evening to you. I hope you've had a lovely start to a brand new week. It was freezing cold across the UK over the weekend. Look at these temperatures that were recorded on Friday night. For many, this is their coldest night for 15 years. But there's a massive change in type now as we shift to something really quite mild. Just look at this. This was last thing at night, Friday night into Saturday, and this was this morning where temperatures for some rose into double figures. And it's all because we've got a change in air mass brought in by a change of wind direction, which we'll just get to in a moment. The week ahead, though, is turning less cold. It's largely cloudy, dry for many, but wet and windy weather is expected at times across Scotland. So if we dig into the detail, you can see these yellow colours at last starting to stream in across the UK, and they are originating in the mid-Atlantic and then blowing in on those south to southwesterly winds. High pressure is dominant there towards the south, which keeps things largely dry for you, but there's systems moving in across the north and northwest, which at times will bring that wet and windy weather to Scotland. Now, as we look ahead to this evening and overnight, we've got a weakening frontal system, which is bringing thickening cloud and a few spots of rain in places across those central areas. You can see it sort of pivoting round there as it starts to run into that area of high pressure. Consequently, clearer, cooler conditions towards the far southeast and remarkably mild to the far north and west. Now, as we look into Tuesday, we've still got that waggling system giving a little bit more in the way of clouds. So a bright start turning cloudier later. Towards the north, a largely dry, at times bright picture, and temperatures around or just above average.